Alright, today we're having a gourmet salad brought from home. We're in the sleeper of the truck. Busted into my lettuce. We got some cheese. My wife packed me some cheese. I break it up. Just like it is. Oh, what do I do with the cheese on there? We got the steak fajitas. Oh, it smells good. It's all pre-made stuff, guys. It's pre-made with some Olive Garden fine Italiano. And that's it. This is gourmet, fools. Gourmet cooking in a truck. A little Simply Orange. This is how we don't get fatter. With steak. Having steak in the truck. Steak fajitas. On a salad.